And this is my Jeep update for Wednesday, August 24th. And I'm not doing any work today. This is just a quick update to let you know where I'm at right now. And work has stalled. I'm trying to get some issues cleared up before I start reassembly. And the problem I have is this Thrush washer. And after about a week and several communications between the seller off of eBay that sold me the Yukon kit, I believe we finally got it cleared up. And yes, I do need to reinstall that Thrush washer, either with the original or a new one. I think the confusion was caused by this part is referred to by several names. I know I was confused. The only thing I had cleared that this part, this washer, came off the front of the original pinion shaft.
Shut up, Festus.
So my intentions are now to move on and start reassembling, maybe tomorrow. It depends on my physical condition. Yeah, the old man's having some medical issues again, and this time it's due to sciatic nerve issues. Got all my shims marked and ready to use. And there's my new carrier with ring gear and new bearings ready to go. And little Sugar wanted to get in on this. And here's my son's beautiful Lincoln Town Car. Please drop in on his station at 78 Stinkin' Lincoln. A great channel, Lincoln, Ford, and Mercury. Beautiful. Everyone should be proud of that flag. Do not dishonor it.